10 seconds. Go. Down. Ilalim ang kick. Ilalim. Underwater ang kick. Stop. Di ba sabi bagalan, Milo? Yung kick slow. Milo, wala nag-kick ng matulin. Now all swimmers down. Mag-pump tayo ng 5. Go. Yan lang. Huwag kayo lalayo. After 5, up! Kumakakakit ka agad after 5, very good kayo. Down, pupunta. Ready? Chloe, nasa ka. Ayun girls. Boys dito. Very good kayo na play. Sabi ko 5 lang. Oo, tinan nyo. Yung dalawa. Ano ginagawa nyo dyan? Huwag kayo. Nag-play kayo. Nagkaroon ng play time. Now, 15 seconds kick. Pati. Move forward kayo. Ayaw, Miguel. Move forward. Tingin dito. Tingin dito. Yung point lang nakaupo. Usad kayo. Usad. Labas. Girls, labas. Kaya nyo si Alicia. Pangalan mo, girls. Iya. Ate, wala pang go. 15 seconds, you count. Go. Louder. Your toes, flowing, flowing. Pointed toes, flowing. Very good. Kick slow, kick slow. Pointed toes. Kick underwater. Stop. Stop. Very good pa yung toe ni teacher. Tingin dito. Very good ba to? Ito yung toe ni Chloe, ni Milo. Very good ba to, Milo? Ano yung toe ko? Tingin dito, swimmers. Very good. Sabihin sa akin, o hindi? How about this? Chloe! Milo! So, habang nag-kick, naka-pointed toe. Milo! Sit down. Ready? Goggles off, Milo! Ready? 15 seconds kick. Ready? Legs, toes, together. Magtikitin nyo. Magkikik kayo underwater, hindi sa ipapaw. Kasama yung ilalim. Tingnan nyo si Chloe, hindi naka-ready mo. Ready? Chloe! Go, kick! 1. Ilalim ang kick. Ilalim. Again. Toes. Keep your legs straight. Keep your legs go. Stop. Alam nyo, very good kayo mag-kick.